plan for sightseeing.
For sure.
Yeah.
I'm very happy with this one. Actually, I love the small car better, but it's not more choices for my job.
Wow. Think they have enough?
If they have more, I can put more.
All in a day's work. That's cool. Is that one day of work?
Yeah.
Wow. So you take the, you put the worm in the branches like that, and then you take the cocoon and you put it in there.
Yeah. So it's old-fashioned.
Oh, old-fashioned. That's a new technique.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm trying to keep up.
Before they put in there, and now they put in here.
Oh, cool. And it's always yellow, huh? The color. Is there different kinds of silkworm? More than one type of worm? Only one type of worm? One species does the best job. The worms, they get eaten by birds. The birds are, you know, they have other, they've food for other animals.
They do have enemy, but when they keep there, they do a very good protect.
Yeah. Gotcha. Don't see very many birds. Oh, cool.
Start to clean the set for sale.
Oh, okay.
Here in Toyman.
Look at that.
So this one has a long time. Has around 100 meter or 400 meter.
Oh, yeah.
It has a 2 layer.
Makes a thread.
Outside layer, we call a raw silk.
Okay.
Inside, it is a fine silk. Taking.
Oh, okay. Two different qualities, huh? Rough and fine. That's cool, man. Thank you.
It's a fine silk.
Oh, wow. What's going on?
Very fine.
Oh, yeah. So the fine, you take the fine ones from there.
That one
put
is
them in there.
raw, but this one is fine.
Fine.
Yes. Inside layer.
And they just stick together, huh? Stick together and...
Yeah.
That's cool. Oh, look at that. Wow. So from there you go to here.
Raw silk. Outside layer.
Outside.
Yes.
Rough.
That one is inside. And we call a fine silk.
Oh, wow. This is the more expensive stuff, huh?
Yes.
That's beautiful. Wow, it's like hair. Cool. And then you dye? Just the dye?
Yes. After they dye in here, they put on the to warp.
Wow.
Hard work.
Cool. Huh?
Hard work.
Yeah. All handwork. Yeah.
This part I think
You can't do it with a machine.
handwork.
Yeah.
But in here is modern. They use machine.
Uh-huh. This is more modern.
This part, ancient way.
This is more old-fashioned.
Yes, old fashioned.
And this is more modern.
Fashioned.
Oh, yeah. Every day you make a lot every day?
Yes, every day.
Wow. Look at that. That's cool. Wow. Neat. Very good.
Supported by Cambodian government and friends.
Oh, okay.
From 1998 until 2001.
Right.
By the European Union. From that time until now, it's self-finance.
I see.
And also the company offer medication to the young Cambodian people. And most of them come from the countryside.
The workers?
From the countryside.
Oh, okay. So it helps for the economy and gets the people working.
To get a little education.
Sure. Wow. Look at that. No machine, all handwork.